One of the ways that a bacteria or a virus can be transmitted to from one person to another is just by using like objects that ordinarily lots of different people use, like a door handle. So if we could, in a way, stop people from touching these with their fingers and with the palm of their hand, because at the day, like inevitably, you're gonna touch different parts of your face, which is the way that the bacteria or virus can get into you. So if we eliminate that, we would highly reduce the risk of being infected with these viruses. So what we did some brainstorming and came up with some solutions. Like one of them was this door hook that is just it's mounted on the vertical bar on the doors, as you can see here. And what you can do is that you place your arm in the hook so you're not touching it with your hands. So, and by using your forearm, you're able to pull the door open and get through it. So this was the design we came up with, and with the availability of 3D printing technologies, we've been able to come up with a prototype, and we can check it and to see the geometry and the practicality of the design.